Hello friend, my name is SN Patil, NYNC College, Chalisgaon. In the last video lecture, we discussed on binary operation, commutative, associativity, identity, and inverse of an element. In this video lecture, we discuss the definition of group and some example on the group. Okay, let us start. Definition: a non-empty set G with binary operation on star is said to be a group if the following condition hold. The first condition is closeness, that is nothing but the binary operation we already discussed in a last video lecture. Okay, that is, take any two element from that set, the resultant is belongs to the set, that is A star B belongs to the set G. The second property is associativity for all element A, B, C. Okay, then A star B, A star in bracket B star C is same as A star B star C. Okay, and the resultant is belongs to the set G. Now next is existence of an identity element in G. There exists E. There exists E. E means identity element such that A star E is equal to A. Yeah, E star A is equal to A for every element in a set G. Okay. Now last property, existence of an inverse in a G. For every element in a set G, there exists B such that A star B is equal to identity element. Otherwise, B star is equal to identity element. Then B is called an inverse of A in a set G. Okay, and the group structure is denoted by the symbol G star. Okay, now next definition is abelian group. A group G star is said to be an abelian or a commutative group if A star B is same as B star A for all element in a set G. If the star operation is multiplication, then we write A into B is same as B into A. If star operation is addition, then A plus B is same as B plus A. Okay. Otherwise, the group is non-abelian or non-commutative. Okay. Now let us take the example on the abelian group. Show that the set of rational number and abelian group with respect to ordinary addition. That is, the star is what here? The star is addition. Okay. So first we define the set of rational number. We know the set of rational number, which is collection of P by Q number such that P comma Q both are the integer and the condition is Q must be a non-zero. Okay. So this is the set of rational number. Now the first property is closeness property. Take any two element in a rational number. Okay. And take the addition. The star is addition, that is A star B. A star B means star is addition, that is A plus B belongs to the Q. Okay. Take any two element in a set of rational number. Okay. And we know that sum of two rational number is rational. That is the first property is satisfied. Okay. Now associativity. We know that the ordinary operation of addition obeys associativity. Take any three element, then A plus in bracket B plus C is same as A plus B plus C, and the resultant in a set of rational number. Okay. Now next, existence of identity element. Existence of identity element means what? See, A, what is the operation here? The operation is plus, okay, is equal to A plus, we find this identity element. So such that we get the A, So find out the number in a set of rational number. After adding this number, we get the as it is A, okay. Particularly, suppose I am taking here 2. 2 is a rational number. The operation is plus. Okay, is equal to 2. So what is the number here such that 2 plus the number is equal to 2, and which is the identity element? So which is what? 0. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 under the addition operation. Okay. So 0, there exists a 0 in a set G such that A plus 0 is equal to A. Yeah, 0 plus A is equal to A for every element in a set of rational number. Okay. Now we got the here identity. Now inverse of an element. So see, inverse of an element means what? A plus. So here we get the identity. This is the identity element. So find out the number here. Such that we get the 0. 0 is a identity element. So which number is here? The number is minus A. If we take here a 2 by 3 plus, find the number here such that we get the identity element. That is, we get the 0. The number is minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now for any element in a Q, there exists minus A such that A plus in bracket minus A, yeah, minus A plus A is equal to 0. Okay. The minus A is an inverse element of A. Now, so all 4 properties satisfied, hence the set of Q form a group with respect to addition. Okay, the star is a addition operation. Okay, now let us verify whether it is a abelian or not abelian, non-abelian. So take any 2 element in the set Q. That is, I am taking here suppose 2, okay, comma 3, both are the set of rational number. You can take any number in the form of P by Q also. Then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, otherwise you can take 1 by 2, 3 by 2. These are the set of rational number. See, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to, that is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 upon 2, that is 2, is same as 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, that is the set of rational number is abelian group. A plus B is same as B plus A for every element in a set of rational number. Okay, hence Q plus is an abelian group. Okay, now similarly, Z plus, Q plus, R plus, and C plus are groups with respect to ordinary addition with identity element 0 and inverse of any element A is minus A. In this way, we prove all this group. Okay. Now next, show that the set Z4 under addition modulo 4 is an abelian group Okay, now this is the congruence classes. So let first write the element of the Z4. Okay, the element of Z4 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the element of the Z4. So let us prepare first composition table. Now here uh, plus is the plus. What is the operation under the addition? That is the addition modulo 4. Modulo 4 is a given binary operation. Okay, so first we prepare the composition table. So here 0 plus 0, that is 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3. Okay, now 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, and 1 plus 3, 4. Divided by the 4, the remainder is 0. Okay, now 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, that is 4 modulo 4, that is the 0, 2 plus 3, that is the 5, divided by 5, the 4, the remainder is 1. 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, modulo 4 means what? 0. 3 plus 2, 5, that is the remainder is 1. 3 plus 3, 6, modulo 4, the remainder is 2. Okay, so this is the composition table. Okay, now from this composition table, we see all the entries inside the tables. Okay, means this one are the elements of Z4. Okay, that is which is close under the addition. Okay, that is take means instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, we take the element AB. Okay, that is A plus B belongs to Z4. So here for Z4 we write the G also. G means what? Z4. That is the belongs to G for every element. For every element in a Z4. Z4 yeah G. Okay. Take any two element. Take any two element. We get the number which is again belongs to the Z4. Okay, that is Z4 is a close under addition. Under the addition. Now next is the first property is satisfied. Now next is associativity law. Associativity law. Now take the three elements. The operation is binary operation is addition. This is the first property. Now second is associativity law. Associative law. Okay. Now addition of residue classes modulo 4 is associative. See, now A plus in bracket B plus C is same as A plus B plus C. Okay, and the resultant is again belongs to the G. Okay? For all element in Z4. Okay, you can verify also. Take any three element and apply the operation. You will get the resultant. You will get the same resultant, and the number is belongs to the again this Z4. Okay. Now next is existence of identity element. Existence of identity. Okay. Now from the table from the table. See, what is the definition of existence of identity element? A, the operation is what? Plus. A plus. So here we find the number. We find the number here such that we get the A as it is. We get the A as it is. Particularly, if we take here 3 plus here suffix 4. Okay. Such that we get the 3. So which number is here? The number is 0. Number is 0 here. That is 0 is an identity element for every element. Okay. Now from the composition, you see here 3 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Okay. So the first second column 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Okay. From composition table, table. Okay. 0 belongs to Z4 is an identity element. Okay. Now fourth one is inverse. Existence of inverse. Now here we know the identity element. Identity element is 0 here, and from the composition table, see here, if we consider 1 plus, now here we find this inverse is equal to identity element, that is the 0. So from composition number 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 we get the 0. That is inverse of 1 is 3. Inverse of 1 is 3. Now similarly, you can verify the 2 plus see here, 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is inverse of 2 is 2. 3, the inverse of 3 is 1. Inverse of 3 is 1. Okay. 0 or 0 is the inverse of inverse of 0 is 0. That is itself. Okay. Hence the every element of Z4 has additive inverse. Okay. Now also take any two element. Now I am taking here 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. So what is a 2 plus 3? The resultant is 1. And 3 plus 2, the resultant is 1. Okay. Similarly, you can find this operation for all elements. Okay. That is A plus B is same as B plus A for all AB belongs to Z4. Okay. Hence, the group structure Z4 under addition, okay, is an abelian Okay. Now similarly, you can show the Z6 is an abelian group. Zn is an abelian group modular n. Okay. The Z6 having the element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, Zn 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The last one is n minus 1. Taking help of the previous example, you can show Z6, Zn under addition, okay, is an abelian group. Okay. Now next, the next example, Q star operation is multiplication, R star dot is multiplication operation, C star are groups with respect to multiplication with identity element 1, and inverse of A is minus inverse of A is A raised to minus 1. Okay, so here the Q star means what? We subtract the 0 from the Q. Similarly for R star, that is R minus 0. For C star, C minus 0. Okay, so taking help of the first example. So this is the first example. We can show the Q star, R star, C star are groups with respect to multiplication with identity element 1, and inverse of every element is its reciprocal. Yeah, inverse of A is A raised to minus 1. Okay. Now next, the previous all example, except the one number related to addition. Now we discuss the the operation is multiplication. The second example, the set G 1 minus 1 is a group with respect to ordinary addition. Now the third, the show that the set G 1 minus 1 I minus I, where I is under root minus 1 is a group with respect to ordinary multiplication of complex number. Okay, so let us solve example number 3, which is parallel to Z4. We just solve this Z4 example where the operation, binary operation is addition. Right now, the operation is multiplication. Okay. Now the let G having the element 1 minus 1 I minus I, and the operation is multiplication under ordinary multiplication of the complex number. Okay. Now the first, now prepare the composition table. 1 into, this is the into, that is the multiplication. 1 into 1, that is the 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now here I, and here minus I. Now 1 into 1, sorry, this is the minus 1. This is minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. This is the plus 1. This is the minus I, and this is the plus I. Okay. Now next, I into 1, that is I into minus 1 minus I into I is I square, I square, I into I is I square is minus 1. See here, if we squaring here, then we get the minus 1. Now I into minus I into minus I, that is minus I square. If you multiply the minus sign here, multiply the minus sign, we get the plus 1. Okay, minus I into 1, minus I into minus 1, plus I into I square, and this minus sign, that is the plus 1, minus I into minus I, minus minus plus, and I square is minus 1. Okay, now from the composition table, if we see all the entries, all these entries, okay, inside the table, are the elements of set G. Okay, that is the resultant is a clause under the multiplication. Okay, hence take any two element A dot B. Sorry, this is the dot. Operation is dot. A dot B. Okay, A is any element 1, -1, I, -I, whatever is belongs to the G. Okay, for all AB belongs to G. Okay, that is G is closed. G is closed under multiplication of complex number. Multiplication of complex number. Okay. Now next property, that is the associativity property. Associativity. Now take the any three element. Okay, that is this is the second property, associativity. So A into in bracket B into C is same as A into B into C. Okay, for all element means for all A, B, C in a set G. So that is the associativity. Take any three element and verify. You will get the resultant in a set G for every element. Okay, now next, identity, existence of identity. Identity. Okay, so what is the definition we have discussed? Identity, A star, find the number such that we get the A. Okay, so what is the star here? The star is multiplication, that is the dot. Okay, into we get the A. So what will be the number here such that we get the A as it is? The number, it should be a 1. Okay, so you can take any element, there is an identity element is 1. Okay, now see from the composition table, 1 into 1, that is 1, -1 into 1, that is -1. We want I, suppose I into 1, I, minus I into 1, minus I. See here, A star, this is the identity element such that we get the A as it is. So these are the A as it is. Okay, that is 1 belongs to G, is an identity element. Okay, now next, existence of inverse. What is the definition? A star B such that what? Because we know the identity element. The identity element is 1. A star B is equal to E. E means identity, and we know which is 1. That is A star is multiplication. A into B is equal to 1. Now from the composition table, where is 1? Now 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. Okay, so let us verify existence of inverse. So first we take 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That is itself inverse. Now next element is -1. -1 into -1. -1 we get the 1. Now next is I into minus I. is equal to 1. Next is minus I. Minus I, where is 1? See here, 1. Into I is equal to 1. Okay, that is inverse of 1 is 1. Similarly, inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Inverse of I is minus I. Inverse of minus I is I. Okay, that is every element of the G4. Every element of G, every element of G has multiplicative inverse. 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 Okay, in G. In G. Hence, G is a group. G is a group with respect to ordinary multiplication of complex number. Okay. Now, thank you for watching the video.